Good day. I am Roger Chabot, the director and producer of Bravery in Arms. And I just want to let you know that on October 20th, we will be releasing our latest documentary series, Path to Total Victory, and it will be released in a special event on Parliament Hill in Ottawa. Once the premiere is completed, then it will be released on our Bravery in Arms channel on YouTube, and a little bit later on en français once the translation is completed. So, I created Path to Total Victory for two reasons. The first one is that this year's marked the 80th anniversary of the liberation of the Netherlands and the victory in Europe. And secondly, as a sequel to BIA D-Day Dodgers of Canada series, in which we followed the footsteps of the Canadians who fought in Italy from the 10th of July 1943 to the 22nd of February 1945. Many volunteers worked together to create this documentary, and we are raising money to be able to bring them to Ottawa to enjoy the fruit of their work. People like Jimmy Hilgen and Charco Schurman from the Netherlands, who were instrumental in coordinating with local reenactors, organizing the filming schedule, and co-hosting the documentary with me. For the first time in BIA history, we have the immense privilege to have the theme song composed especially for Path to Total Victory by veteran Sean Wilkie. And we created a special music video for the song titled The Angels Cried, with the participation of bagpiper Sean Alderman and the reenactors of the 1st Canadian Parachute Battalion. The mission of Bravery in Arms is to be a witness and a voice to communicate and preserve our rich military history. This is why our motto is Custos Memoria. It means guardians of the memory. Let me remind you that all our sponsors are recognized by including your name in the credits of every episode. Also, every sponsors receive a gift according to the level of their sponsorship. The most important one being the Custos Memoria coin. Thank you for helping us in this mission. We are grateful for your generosity, and we hope that some of you will be able to attend the premiere event on October 20th. For Bravery in Arms, Path to Total Victory, this is Roger Chabot. Thank you for listening to this message. Hope to see you in Ottawa. And until we meet again, Custos Memoria.
Oh, William, did you hear the angels cry? Underneath the fire as the brave ones died. Battlefields echo with the cries of the lost. The boy who left home, what a heavy cost. Fear became a friend on that fateful shore in a world of chaos, longing for home evermore.